Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this Latour LED light 2-pack, 1 and 2 over in the box there. They were nice enough to send me these for free, so I can make a video showing them to you. Really like this. As small and compact as it is, I am shocked at how bright it is, and we'll take a look at it here in 1 second. It's kind of cool because it's obviously a rechargeable LED light, but it's a 2-in-1. It works as a work light. You got the little magnet down at the bottom, but it also comes with the headlamp strap, so you can use it as a headlamp or you can use it as a work light like so. If we look at the top, that's the power button. It gives you a little battery indicator there, and you can see how super bright this guy is. Again, we'll go walking around. You have another setting going a little bit dimmer there. Then we have the red light. Gotta love the red light. Then we got a little flashy guy there. So those are your different lighting modes, but also this thing pivots and swivels. So you can see how I have it in this orientation here, which is perfect because if you put the little bracket on the back side right there for the headlamp, that is exactly how you would probably be using it. But it also pivots out this way, so you can put it in any direction that you want. And then which way do we go? We go this way. Like, you can even do it one-handed. Swing it around this way, and now it's facing the opposite direction. So easy, you can do it one-handed. Now here is your charge port on the back side there. It does come with the charge cable, which is right there. Again, I showed you the magnet at the bottom there, so you can stick it to anything metal. And you also get in there 2 of these little peel and stick metal plates. So if you have a specific spot you know you'll be using it several times and it's not a metal spot, you can add one of these little plates to give you a little attachment point. And then if we look, this is the little bracket for the headlamp and of course the adjustable strap. So this guy's just going to push on. You think I can do this one-handed too? Oh yeah, you can do the whole thing one-handed. Look at that. Latour. Let's do it this way. Nope. Latour. So, and then the cool thing about that is then this lets you rotate it. So if we have it on our head and we have to direct it a specific way, you can do that as well. And in case you weren't sure, absolutely is magnetic. Stick it right to the side of your fridge. You can even stick it to that pipe. So you're in this bedroom here, nice and dark. But if we give it a little tap, boom, we're headlamping now. This is called headlamping, okay? Look at that, look at that. See how bright it is? Now let me, actually that goes to dimmer. There's the red light. Ooh, kind of creepy, eerie-like. Then we can even blink it. Strobe alert, strobe alert. You're supposed to say that before you do the strobe. Bam! Look how convenient that is. Hands-free. You want to look in a dark hole and see what we can find? Oh, here we are. Here we go. Oh, yeah. See? The only light is the light on my head, which a 2x4 is trying to obstruct. Look at that. So there it is, guys. Perfect as a magnetic work light, or slap it on your head. Make it a little headlamp. There it is. Thanks for watching.